Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter creamy. First, ensure your peanuts are roasted. This brings out their natural oils and deepens the flavor. Place about 2 cups of roasted peanuts into a sturdy food processor. Begin processing them on high, and you'll notice the texture changing from crumbs to a thick paste over several minutes. This initial step is crucial for breaking down the nuts. As you process, the peanuts will go through several stages, from coarse crumbs to a fine meal, then a thick, pasty ball. It's important to stop and scrape down the sides of the food processor bowl every 1 or 2 minutes to ensure even processing. Keep going, and after about 5 to 7 minutes, the natural oils will start to release, transforming the paste into a much smoother consistency. To achieve that extra creamy texture, you might want to add a little oil. Start with 1 tablespoon of a neutral-flavored oil, such as peanut oil, vegetable oil, or even melted coconut oil. Add it while the processor is running or in small increments. Continue processing for another 2 to 3 minutes until the peanut butter reaches your desired level of smoothness and creaminess. Once your creamy peanut butter is ready, transfer it to an airtight container. It will stay fresh at room temperature for up to 2 weeks, perfect for quick enjoyment. If you prefer to keep it longer, storing it in the refrigerator can extend its shelf life to about 3 to 4 weeks. Remember, natural separation may occur, so just give it a good stir before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.